Greetings of the day. This is Jinky Devasi, your SST teacher. Today I'm going to teach you first chapter of Standard 9, India, Size and Location. So today's topic is location of India. Before that, the syllabus of class 9 is all about physical geography. It means you need to learn physical features of the earth with reference of India. So let's start the chapter. India lies in the northern and eastern hemisphere of the globe between 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north latitudes and 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east longitudes. It thus occupies the central part of the eastern hemisphere with almost 30 degrees of longitudinal extent. The country may be divided into 2 time zones, but the problems has been resolved by using 82 degree 30 minute east longitude as standard meridian to determine Indian Standard Time. So here you got many terms, right? First, hemisphere, northern hemisphere or northeastern hemisphere. What do you understand about the hemisphere? Now, take a look on the picture. Imaginary line running on the globe divides it into 2 equal parts. The upper part of this picture is northern hemisphere and the lower part is southern hemisphere. So again, imaginary line running on the globe divides it into 2 equal parts, and this imaginary line is called equator. The equator represents the 0 degree latitudes. So the northern half of the earth is known as the northern hemisphere and the southern half is known as the southern hemisphere. Now what do you understand by latitudes? Latitude is a geographical coordinates that specifies north-south position on the earth's surface. Latitude is an angle which range from 0 degree to 90 degree. There are many important parallels of latitudes which you will able to see on this figure. Look at this figure. There's Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree, 23.5 degree north, which is Tropic of Cancer, and 23 degree and a half south, which is Tropic of Capricorn. There are 3 heat zones. Number 1 is torrid zone, then temperate zone, then frigid zone. 0 degree latitude to 23.5 till Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer, north and southwards, is torrid zone, which is also called tropical zone. Then temperate zone up to 66.5 degree. Then above 66.5 is known as frigid zone. So India lies in between a torrid zone and temperate zone, which is subtropical zone. Most of the part of India lies in the temperate and tropical zone, which is subtropical zone. So Tropic of Cancer passes by 8 states of India. Number 1 is Gujarat to Rajasthan, then Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, then Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Now longitude. What do you understand by longitude? Again, look at this picture. There are some horizontal lines, some vertical lines, right? Horizontal lines are latitudes, which you have seen, and the vertical lines are longitude. Angular distance of a place east or west of the Greenwich meridian or west of the standard meridian of the celestial object, usually expressed in degrees and minutes, that is longitude. Now, before starting or before knowing longitude, you need to know about the meridian. Unlike parallels of latitude, all meridians are of equal length, thus it was difficult to number the meridians. Hence, all countries decided that the count should begin from the meridian which passed through Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located. So this meridian is called prime meridian. Here you can see the picture, the 0-degree vertical line, 0-degree vertical line, which is prime meridian. It values 0-degree, as 0-degree latitude represents the equator. Similarly, 0-degree longitude is the prime meridian. Now, it would count 180-degree eastward and 180-degree westward. The prime meridian and 180-degree meridian divide the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Now, take a look on the picture of your NCERT book. If you have your book in front of you, take a look on the first page of the chapter. There is India in the world, figure 1.1. Look, the location is in the northern hemisphere, in the eastern part, right? Okay, so now we will learn about the places or location of India continentally. In terms of vaccinal location, Pakistan and Afghanistan lie in the west, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Let's take a look on this. Let's take a look on this map. You will be able to see the places: Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. And in the south, a narrow expanse of Pearl Strait separates it from Sri Lanka. Its total land frontier of 15,200 kilometers passes through marshy lands, desert, level plains, rugged mountains, snow-covered areas and thick forest. And if you take a look on the map of India, let's take a look on the map of India, you will be able to see the mainland of India. This is the mainland of India. And in the western part, there is Arabian Sea and there is a bunch of small islands, Lakshadweep. And in the right side, in the eastern part, Bay of Bengal. On that there are also a branch of islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now beside there is a maritime boundary of 6,100 kilometers along with the mainland mass, which increases to 7,517 kilometers of the coastline of Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep are added to it. Now there's a do you know on your book that the southernmost point of Indian Union, Indira Point, got submerged under the sea water in 2004 during the tsunami. Take a look on the map, you will be able to see the place, the southernmost point, Indira Point. This is submerged under the sea water. Now, one more important part of this chapter, take a look on this map, you will be able to see that the the important parallel, 23° important parallel of latitude, 23° 30' north, passes by the India. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into almost two equal parts. The mainland is divided by this into two equal parts. To the southeast and southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. Find out the extent of these groups of islands from your atlas. If you have atlas, you can take a look and keep studying at home. So next day we will discuss about size and India and the world. And we also will learn about the time zone and about the standard meridian, 82° 30' east, which is standard meridian of India. Thank you.